Hello, my name is Robert Harrison, and this is my submission for EDSE 517, the Module 6 lab, in which we were to use the free trial version of BoardMaker and create a 16-panel talking communication board. So my inspiration for creating this board was my 18-month-old son. He is just starting some communicative behaviors, and he's trying to kind of differentiate words and get a little better. I actually plan on using this with him and seeing if this can help him kind of speak a little more clearly and identify instead of generalizing all of his demands. I assume this type of choice board with, food, drinks, leisure activities, and other wants and needs could be beneficial to a younger individual who requires AAC for whatever reason. So as you can see, I have color-coded the choice categories, which could again be beneficial to a younger individual with a choice board that has various categories on it. For one choice in each category, I chose to play with the speak text function just so we could hear a complete sentence as opposed to the label. So you'll hear that as well.
Milk, water. I want juice, please. Strawberry. I want apple, please. Banana. Orange. Fruit snacks. Puzzle. Blocks. I want ball, please. Truck. Blanket. Pacifier. I want book, please. Teddy bear.
So again, I used labels for most of the cells, but for a few of them I chose to add in the complete sentence, maybe if we want to teach him to start speaking in a complete sentence and using the word please. So there is my example of this 16-cell talking communication board on BoardMaker Online.